safari day. This is my outfit and we are on time. So I'm heading downstairs. And this is my safari outfit. Okay, see you downstairs.
Sunshine.
So we're on our safari trip. Well, we just got here. And this is the name of it. You could book that on Viator or you can book it with your hotel. You can get a free drink on arrival. So I'm about to get my free drink.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, please.
We have a sweet rosé, dry white 7 jaar belang, non-alcohol.
Sweet. I'll do this.
Sweet rosé.
Yeah. Thank you. I feel like I'm on Love is Blind. And apparently you can also sleep overnight here, which would be cool. Up close and personal with a buffalo. Let me save my battery for the actual safari. Oh, there's a spa here too. So cool. And then we get food in here, so there's lunch as well. This is so beautiful. Hold on, let me show y'all the back. I think I'm gonna sit out here in the sun. I'm not even hungry. Sorry about that. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so we're on the bus or the truck or whatever you call it. This is what it looks like. And I'm sitting in the back because I feel like I could get like a lot of good footage from the back. There we go. But yeah, let's go on a safari. Hippos? He said hippos or alligators? don't know if y'all can see, but there are hippos. Let's see if we can zoom in.
So the reason why you see hippos, guys, they are preparing to stay in the water. So when it is very cold outside, they need to do that because they need to moisturize their skins, and that's the only way of dropping their body temperature. Buffaloes, elephants, leopards, and lions. So that is your big five. So what do you mean about the big five? It means you'll be talking or dealing with all dangerous and very difficult.
I don't know if you can see, but there are rhinos right there.
Fall under the big five. They're not easy to deal with. So you can get killed before trying to make a kill. So they can kill you. That is when you hear most people saying the hunter becomes the hunted. Because it can be branded of like charging.
The buffalo right here. So now we're heading to the lions.
Sorry, that's okay.
والله they will definitely go direct to the male to show him that we are ready for him. And then they will start to smell him like that. He might end up getting up and then they can mate if he's injured. So they can mate over 20 times in a day. So they do it repeatedly just to increase more chances for the females to conceive. Because the males have got they've got low sperm count. So that is why they have to do it.
We're gonna stop for rest and mushrooms and refreshments. My hair is probably crazy. Refreshments. What's that?
Red juice, just juice.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'll try some of that. And that's some good juice.
And she'll take it off, and then she'll do it again.
So that you get the request again?
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh?
Oh,
I said it's probably fire at night when they do the night one.
Yeah. Okay, so we we see more zebras and the elephants are coming up. Whoa. Let's see if we could.
Want me to take? So she gonna have to delete this.
Like this. And he said their ears are shaped like Africa. So they're African elephants. Back to the lions. That he's redoing it for us.
Hey brother, is there any other big cats or just lions?
Yeah, these are the only big cats.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I should take a picture right here. Take me to the nines. Take me. So we're at the nines. Got salmon. Definitely taking those fish eggs off. So it's our last day and we are heading out to go get gifts and go to Camps Bay. Before we leave, this is the fit. You can't really see it because I tied up my shirt. There's Evan. And we're just waiting on the elevator. And here it comes.
Doors closing.
Last day.
Floor
So they also provide dry cleaning, and I got my sweatpants dry cleaned because I'm gonna wear them back on the plane. But yeah, so they do wash laundry, and it's actually they just give it back to you like the next morning or 2 days later. So make sure to plan ahead if you plan on using their laundry services at the hotel. But yeah, let's head back out. Now this guy is doing drugs right there in the daytime. Oh my god, you can't see it. I'm gonna zoom in. Ah, shit. He was literally putting a needle in his arm at 8:42 a.m. It's too early for that. It's too early for drugs. You're supposed to wake up with energy.
Turn left onto Huron Ranch Boulevard.
With natural
then
energy.
turn left.
Okay, let me save this. Conserve my space. None of them look like him. It's a little windy, but it's actually nice outside. Oh. interesting. It's kind of like someone spit back in your drink. The pretzel in the kind of has like someone accidentally spit their food in your drink. Kind of look at the puppies.
Baby, it's my time.
It's right there.
Baby, it's my time. Baby, it's my time. Baby, it's my time.
It's right off of Camps Bay. And it's kind of so there's sand and the water right after that. Yeah. One moment, let me eat my croissant. I'll be right back.
Turn left onto Queens Road. Then turn right onto Queens Road. Oh my gosh, it's grand. 300 meters.
So we're heading to the Ferris wheel. That'd be cool if we could get on that one. We're heading to the Ferris wheel. It's not too far.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Beach Road.
We're now by the Ferris wheel. Oh, it's a shopping mall.
Baby, it's my time. Baby, it's my time. Baby, it's my time. Baby, it's my time.
Okay, so we got There's the H&M. Sorry. Something bad. Or watching football. I'm trying to find the Ferris wheel because that would be fun to do as one of the last things. All this time I could see the Ferris wheel and now I can't see it. It's crazy. Ferris wheel. And I found the gifts. The tea that my uncle wanted. Well, one of them.
Hi. Hi. Just speak to this gentleman over here. He'll switch you. How much brother?
Ferris wheel. It is on the opposite side of the front of the Victoria Mall. So you just go through that entrance or come out there and it's right here. That's at the front. The front of the mall. Right across from the front of the mall. So we made it to the Ferris wheel.
Oh my gosh, it's crazy.
My bag's like crazy. This is the Ferris wheel right by Victoria Wharf. Okay, Evan, what was your high of the trip?
I'd probably say the penguins.
The penguins, definitely. And what was your low of the trip?
Getting kicked out the casino.
Definitely getting kicked out the casino.
But also the ATVs and the safari was definitely a close second.
All right.
Alrighty, so we're closing out the trip. So Aaliyah, what was your favorite part of the trip?
My favorite part of the trip was definitely the penguins. It was so cool being close to them. One walked right by my feet, and then one was right behind my head, so I love the penguins.
Alright, so now we know what was your favorite part. So what was your least favorite part of the trip?
My least favorite part of the trip would have been, I guess, the Uber driver that got mad at us. It was still funny. It was more funny, but I guess it was a low the trip because there wasn't really that many lows.
Alrighty.
But yeah, this is South Africa, Cape Town. Definitely want to come check it out and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Arena, you can probably see our hotel